Your greatest wealth, health. Quick question to you. What would you give up to feel good again? Money? A vacation? Your pride? Your physical stuffs? Most of us say never until we're suddenly living with pain, exhaustion, or fear that our body won't cooperate. Then everything changes. Today's reminder is simple. The richest person in the world is poor without health, and the simplest person alive is wealthy with it. Not to guilt trip you, but to wake you up. We all know this topic, but tend to forget how important it is, because you might have everything and still not be able to enjoy any of it. If you lose your health, your time, energy, and freedom go with it. So let's treat health like wealth. Protect it, invest in it, grow it. Why health is the foundation. We already know it logically. A heartbeat matters more than a bank balance. But what does that look like in real life? Think of health like the foundation of a house. You can build marble floors, expensive furniture, and a chandelier, but if the foundation crumbles, all that beauty falls. Health gives you freedom. Freedom to work, to play, to love, to learn. Without it, you're renting joy. With it, even simple things. A walk, a hug, a clear morning become priceless. I want you to picture two futures. One where you've got energy at 60, one where you're trading money for medical appointments and missing your best years. Which future sounds like wealth to you? Real costs of ignoring health. It's easy to trade health for short-term gains. More hours at the office, cheaper food, less sleep. The problem? You don't see the bill until it arrives, and often the bill is bigger than any unpaid loan. Fewer years of energy, restricted mobility, strained relationships, lost productivity, and sometimes a lifetime of regret. Financial planners call it opportunity cost. I call it time you can't buy back. Many people end up spending their hard-earned money trying to buy back something far more valuable, the ability to feel well. Imagine Mark, broke into the C-suite by sacrificing sleep for 15 years. He had the corner office, but the stress caught up. Chemo, endless tests, and the thing he'd been building, he missed the moments. That's a hollow victory. We don't need to be dramatic to understand this. The point, invest today so you don't have to pay that bill later. The 4 pillars of health. Let's get practical. Health rests on 4 big pillars: movement, nutrition, sleep recovery, and stress and mental health. I'll give you simple, repeatable actions you can actually do. Pillar 1, movement. You don't need a gym membership to be strong. Move daily. Start with a 20 to 30-minute walk. Add strength twice a week. Body weight squats, push-ups. Movement keeps your heart, bones, and mood in great shape. Pillar 2, nutrition. Food is fuel and repair. Choose whole foods most of the time. Vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, healthy fats. Swap one ultra-processed meal a day for a real plate of food. Tiny swaps compound. Pillar 3, sleep and recovery. Your body does the heavy repair while you sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours. Make a simple bedtime routine. Dim lights, no screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and a consistent wake time. Pillar 4, stress and mental health. Stress is not the enemy. Unmanaged stress is. Practice 2 tools, a 5-minute breathing routine and one activity that resets you: walk, prayer, journaling. Build a social safety net: friends, family, faith, whatever grounds you.
Real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more awesome people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe for more contents to improve your life. Now back to it.
Prevention, screening, and routine care. Prevention is a bargain. Regular checkups, dental care, vision, vaccines, screenings. These are insurance for your body. They often catch small problems early, when they're fixable. You do preventive maintenance to your car, why not to your number 1 asset, your body? Make one appointment this month. That one small act protects years of life. Health as an investment. Think of healthy habits like compound interest. A daily walk, a consistent bedtime, small kitchen swaps. They look small, But after months and years, they compound into years of energy, fewer sick days, and more joy. You're not trading pleasure today for pain tomorrow. You're buying extended joy tomorrow by small choices today. If you're already struggling, maybe you're watching this from a place of pain, diagnosed with something or carrying chronic fatigue. I see you. Don't let shame be the thief of action. Small steps still matter. An extra glass of water, a 10-minute walk, one call to your doctor, one therapy session, one honest conversation with someone you trust. Health isn't all or nothing. Recovery is made of tiny wins. Spiritual and social wealth, why health matters to your purpose. For many of us, health is also stewardship. If you're spiritual, steward your body as a tool for the life and service you want to give. If you want to be present for your kids, your spouse, your community, health is the enabling gift. Invest in it. 30-day starter plan. Practical checklist. Week 1. Reset. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily. Bedtime 15 minutes earlier. Drink plus 1 glass water with breakfast. 5-minute nightly gratitude or prayer journal. Week 2. Build. 2 20-minute bodyweight sessions. Squat, plank, push-up. Replace 1 processed meal each day with a real food meal. Add 10 minutes of morning sunlight exposure. Help sleep. Week 3. Strengthen. Increase walk to 30 to 40 minutes or add a second short walk. Try 1 new healthy recipe. Practice a 5-minute breathing reset twice daily. Week 4. Sustain. Book 1 preventive appointment or screening. Identify 1 habit to keep long-term. Share progress with a friend/accountability partner. How to keep this from becoming another New Year's resolution. 2 things, smallness and systems. Make habits tiny enough you can't fail. Attach the new habit to an existing habit. Habit stacking. After I brush my teeth, I drink a glass of water. After lunch, I do 5 minutes of breathing. Systems beat motivation. Look, money is wonderful. Status can open doors, but none of it replaces the freedom of a body and mind that work for you. Your greatest wealth is the life you wake up to. Protect it every day. If this resonated, do 3 things right now. 1. Pause and take 1 deep breath. 2. Pick 1 micro action you can do today. 3. Share this with 1 person you care about, because wealth grows when it's shared. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Because when you take action, it worked.